Let us discuss some problems on compound angles. Show that sine alpha plus sine of 120 degrees plus alpha plus sine of 240 degrees plus alpha is equal to 0. Second one, prove that cos 7a by sec a minus sine 7a by cosec a equal to cos 8a. Third one, prove that cot a minus cot 2a equal to cosec 2a. Okay. Here, first we can take sin A plus sin B form, or first one LHS is equal to sin alpha plus sin of 120 degrees plus alpha plus sin of 240 degrees plus alpha is equal to 120 degrees plus alpha can be written as 180 minus 60 plus alpha. 240 can be written as 240 plus alpha can be written as 180 plus 60 plus alpha. So we know that in the quadrant, in the second quadrant, sign is positive. In the third quadrant, sign is negative. So 180 minus alpha comes in the second quadrant, 180 plus alpha comes in the third quadrant. So here first we can write in the form of 180 minus 60 plus alpha, 240 plus alpha can be written as 180 plus 60 plus alpha. The first one is as it is, that is sin alpha plus sin of 180 minus 60 plus alpha plus sin of 180 plus 60 plus alpha. It is equal to sin alpha plus sin of 180 taking minus common 60 minus alpha plus sin of 180 plus 60 plus alpha. Now it comes in the second quadrant. First one is as it is, sin alpha plus sin 180 minus theta is sin theta, that is sin of 60 minus alpha. Sin 180 plus theta is minus sin of 60 plus alpha. Now we can write it as by using of sin of a plus b, a minus b form. Sin a cos b plus or minus cos a sin b. That is nothing but for sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So it is equal to sin alpha plus sin a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b minus of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Multiply with negative. So sin alpha, sin 60 means it is root 3 by 2 cos alpha. Cos 60 means 1 by 2 sin alpha minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 cos alpha minus cos 60 is 1 by 2 sin alpha. Here minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 get cancelled. It is equal to sin alpha minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Taking LCM. Minus 2 by 2, it is equal to minus 1. So it is minus sin alpha. Sin alpha minus sin alpha is 0. It is equal to RHS. Therefore, sin alpha plus sin of 120 degrees plus alpha plus sin of 240 degrees plus alpha is equal to 0. This is the solution. The second one is prove that cos of, that is nothing but LHS. LHS is equal to cos 7a by sec a minus sin 7a by cosec a. It is equal to, we know that 1 by sec a is equal to 1 by cos a. By the cross multiplication, 1 by sec a is equal to cos a. Similarly, cosec a is equal to 1 by sin a. Sin a equal to 1 by cosec a. So here we can write it as cos 7a into 1 by sec a minus sin 7a into 1 by cosec a. It is equal to 1 by sec a means that what is that? Cos a. Cos 7a cos a minus sin 7a sin a. It is in the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is equal to cos of a plus b. So it is equal to cos of a is 7a, b is a. This is equal to cos of 8a. So it is the RHS. Therefore, cos 7a by sec a minus sin 7a by cosec a is equal to cos 8a. This is the second one. Third one is LHS is equal to cot A minus cot 2A is equal to cot A is cos A by sin A minus cos 2A by sin 2A. Taking LCM, sin 2A cos A minus sin A cos 2A by sin A sin 2A. By the cross multiply, we are taking the LCM. It is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. It is equal to sin of A minus B. This is equal to sin of 2A minus A by sin A sin 2A. It is equal to sin of 2A minus A is A by sin A sin 2A. Sin A vanza sin A vanza. It is equal to 1 by sin 2A. 1 by sin means cosec. It is cosec 2A. It is equal to RHS. Therefore, cot A minus cot 2A equal to cosec 2A. This is the solution. Second problem, show that tan 75 degrees plus cot 75 degrees equal to 4. Show that tan 45 degrees plus A, tan 45 degrees minus A equal to 1. Third one, show that tan 15 degrees plus cot 15 degrees equal to 4. Just you can observe here, tan and cot both are expressing in sine. Sin 75 degrees by cos 75 degrees plus cos 75 degrees by sin 75 degrees. Taking the LCM, cos 75 degrees into sin 75 degrees, cross multiply. Why? Because here only cos 75 is there. Sin 75 into sin 75, it is sin square 75 degrees. Cos 75 into cos 75, it is cos square 75 degrees. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That is 1 by cos 75 degrees sin 75 degrees. And we have one more formula, sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos A. Here sin A cos A is there, just we can multiply with 2 in the numerator and denominator. It goes to 2 by sin 2 of 75 degrees. Sin 2 of 75 is 150. 75 to the 150. So 2 by sin 150 degrees. 150 degrees can be written as 180 minus 30 degrees. So sine of 150 degrees is equal to sine of 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. In the second quadrant, sine is positive, so it is sine 30 degrees. So here we can write it as 2 by sine 150 degrees is equal to, from this, sine 30 degrees. We know that sine 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. So 2 by 1 by 2, it is equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. Like that we can do. In the similar way, second one, tan 45 degrees plus A, tan of 45 degrees minus A equal to 1. Tan of A plus B into tan of A minus B. That is, tan of A plus B can be written as tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B into tan of A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. We know that tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. So substitute here 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A. Here we get cancel numerator, denominator. We are getting 1 only. The same third problem is like the first one only. Just here tan of 15 degrees plus cot of 15 degrees means we can write in the ratio of sine and cos, and by the taking of the LCM, and it goes to the identity. And in the denominator, cos 15 sine 15 is there, just it can be converted into the sine 2a form. For that we can multiply with 2 in the numerator and the denominator. It goes to the 2 sin A cos A equal to sin 2A. This is sin 30 degrees. Why? Because 2 15s are 30, 30 degrees. We know that 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. Again, we are getting the 2 into 2 equal to 4. This way we can do this type of the problems. Just to all problems are depends on the basic formulas. Fourth one, show that cos 40 degrees plus cos 80 degrees plus cos 160 degrees is equal to 0. Here, second one is cos of alpha minus beta by cos alpha sin beta equal to tan alpha plus cot beta. We can prove that one. Here we are taking the first problem. LHS is equal to cos 40 degrees plus cos 80 degrees plus cos of 160 degrees equal to, here cos of 160 degrees can be written as 180 minus 20. Cos 40 degrees plus it is equal to 80 degrees means we can write it as 180 minus 100. So okay. And here we can apply cos 40 degrees plus cos 80 degrees plus cos 160 degrees is nothing but here we can use the cos C plus cos D form. Here cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos of C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. Using that form, here 2 cos of C is 80 plus 160 by 2 cos of 80 minus 160 by 2. It is equal to cos 40 degrees plus 2 cos of 160 plus 80 is 240. 240 by 2 is 120 degrees. Cos of 80 minus 160 means minus 80 by 2 equal to 40. Here cos 40 degrees is taking common, then it is 1 plus 2 cos of 180 minus 60 degrees into 1 only. Why? Because cos of minus theta is cos theta. So here cos 40 is taking common. This is equal to cos 40 degrees 1. Cos in the second quadrant is negative minus 2 into cos 60. It is equal to cos 40 degrees 1 minus 2 cos 60 is 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. It is equal to cos 40 into 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into something is 0. That is the RHS. The second one is prove that LHS is equal to cos of alpha minus beta by cos alpha sin beta. Here we can write cos of alpha minus beta formula. Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta by cos alpha sin beta is in the denominator. Now we can write the separate terms as denominator. That is cos alpha cos beta by cos alpha sin beta plus sin alpha sin beta by cos alpha sin beta. Here sin beta cancel, cos alpha cancel. It is equal to cot beta plus tan alpha. It is equal to RHS. So just we can observe that this is tan alpha plus cot beta. It is also tan alpha plus cot beta. Here we are using the cos of a minus b, cos of a plus b, sin of a minus b, sin of a plus b, cos c plus cos d. These are sin 2a, cos 2a. Those related formulas you should remember. Then only you can apply where it is suitable, what is the suitable. Okay.